please welcome the artistic director of La Machine, François Delacroisière, and the director of Les Machines de Lille, Pierre Orefis. Gentlemen, please.
Good morning. Thank you for your invitation.
We are very happy to be with you. We try to speak in English, but it's difficult for us. And so sometimes we speak in French.
As you will hear, they are very charming, and actually their English is not that bad, but I'll be there to translate for them.
Okay.
We began with 3 movies, very short, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute. After we explain and we discuss. Okay?
Great.
We go.
Then we can start the first movie.
Okay, I'm going to translate just a little bit as it goes along.
Voilà, le chantier a démarré ce matin et on est parti pour 14 mois de travaux. Les géomètres ont marqué le centre des futurs mondes marins ici ce matin et ont tracé un cercle de 22 mètres de diamètre. Et le pylône qui est juste derrière moi donne quasiment la hauteur totale des futurs mondes marins.
Okay, and so this, as you can see, this is the center for where it's supposed to be built, and the pylon in the back is about the height of the future sea world.
Au monde marin, les passagers descendront, d'autres embarqueront, et il larguera les amarres comme un navire pour retourner au nef.
So this elephant is a link between all the different worlds, between the sea world, between the workshop and the gallery. And like a boat, it weighs anchor, it brings passengers from one place to the other, new passengers get up, and then they go to, like a boat, they dock, and they go to this gallery.
Cet atelier, c'est que toutes les constructions se font sous les yeux des visiteurs.
So all the constructions
qui seront venus plusieurs fois aux machines, qui auront vu un élément se construire ici, ils l'auront vu dans la galerie, et en 2012, ils pourront grimper dessus dans les mondes marins.
So all the constructions are done in front of the eyes of the people, the visitors, and so some people actually have seen the constructions of the machine from its inception to all the way to the finished product.
Le 35e élément, le dernier construit, il est arrivé il y a 2 jours.
That's the 35th element. It's like a hermit lobster.
En 2012, tous les éléments présents dans la galerie qui ont un lien avec la mer vont se retrouver dans les mondes marins.
So all the elements who will find themselves in the sea marine world. You can see 3 different levels. You have the bottom, the abyss, and the top. So that's the first little movie.
Alors le premier choc pour moi, ça a été au moment de la construction de cette arène en béton, quand on s'est retrouvé au centre avec François et on a vraiment eu l'impression de se trouver au centre d'un cirque. Et moi, ça m'a fait immédiatement penser à ces vieux théâtres shakespeariens.
So the first shock that I had when I came into this concrete arena, it was like, you know, it was like a shock because I had the feeling I was like in one of these old Shakespearean theaters that they used to have in wood, where the people would come, the audience would come in the galleries.
En l'espace de 3 mois, parce que ça a été vite pour installer les éléments.
So they installed the elements within 3 months.
Et d'un coup, il m'est venu l'image d'un espèce d'aquarium mécanique. C'est plus qu'une immersion dans la mer.
So suddenly I had this vision of this mechanical aquarium, and I had the feeling that it was like it's more than being immersed within the sea.
De façon assez linéaire et assez simple, sans véritable nœud.
So all here you can see all the elements that have been built before the installation.
Il restait cette dentelle de béton qui avait posé des problèmes de conception de
so this is like actually
ces éléments.
A construction is like a lace. It's like a concrete lace, and all the elements seem so fragile, separate, but when we put them together, it's pretty strong. And it is a little bit like a metaphor for this project, which is at the same time strong and fragile at the same time.
cette dentelle de béton, ça a été un vrai challenge. Et là, on s'est rendu compte que le chantier commençait par un défi technique pour le génie civil.
So it's like a technical
cette
challenge
histoire, elle
for
était
civil
puissante et fragile.
engineering, of course, this kind of construction.
Aujourd'hui, les éléments sont là sur les plateaux.
Today,
les
the
plateaux n'ont pas
elements
encore
are on the
tourné,
plates.
Donc on a toujours cette espèce d'angoisse d'attendre.
They haven't
comment
started
tout ça va se mettre en
rotating
mouvement.
in
Alors, on
movement
est
yet,
confiant, évidemment,
but there's always
mais
this
ces 2 mois qui arrivent
anguish for the
maintenant,
next 2
avant qu'on
months
soit
before
au
everything
point
is put
pour faire
together
fonctionner cette machinerie,
and people
sont les 2
take
mois où
control and
peut-être
master
on va avoir
the
le plus
machines,
de-
because
le
anything
plus de
can happen.
surprises, le plus de problèmes,
So
de
a
choses
few
à changer.
problems could
Ça va
happen,
être
a few
vraiment,
things might have to be
intense.
changed.
La fin du chantier va correspondre à l'arrivée de 35 personnes à former pour exploiter les mondes marins.
So at
Il va
the
falloir
end
qu'ils
of
s'approprient
the
cet outil.
construction
Et c'est encore
sites,
un challenge, et
35
c'est toujours
people
comme
are
ça, c'est
going
les 2 derniers mois,
to
les
take
choses sont les plus
control
complexes.
of, and master the manipulation of these machines. They're going to do a PowerPoint presentation now.
Il est important pour nous de situer le carrousel des mondes marins dans son contexte.
So it's really important that they situate the carousel, the SeaWorld carousel in its context and where it is actually according to the city of Nantes and its history.
This is the island of Nantes, c'est l'île de Nantes,
This is the Isle of Nantes.
qui est l'endroit où on construisait les bateaux il y a 30 ou 40 ans.
It's a place where they used to build ships, so it was an old shipyard, like 30, 40 years ago. I think it closed about 30, 40
Et
years
comme
ago.
dans beaucoup de villes européennes, l'industrie s'est en allée et a laissé des friches industrielles.
So, like in a lot of cities in Europe, the industry went away, and so it just left this kind of no man's land.
L'île de Nantes est au cœur des 22 communes qui forment l'agglomération nantaise.
So the Isle of Nantes is like basically at the heart of the 22 community that constitute the city of Nantes.
Le projet de l'île de Nantes fait partie d'un projet urbain.
So it's this part of the Ile de, l'île de Nantes is part of a urban project.
Et on a installé un grand atelier là où on construisait les bateaux, en plein cœur de l'île.
So like in the heart of this island, they actually installed a workshop using like the structures of the workshops that they had there in the shipyards.
La première tranche des machines de l'île de Nantes est née en 2007 avec le Grand Éléphant.
So the first part started in 2007 with the birth of the big elephant.
Ici, vous avez la première sortie du Grand Éléphant devant 50 000 personnes qui sont venues voir pour la première fois l'éléphant sortir de l'atelier.
So here you can see the first time the elephant came out of the workshop and in front of 50,000 people who came to
L'urbaniste
look at.
Alexandre Chemetov a recouvert ces immenses nefs où on construisait les bateaux par un toit transparent. Et
So the architect Alexandre Chemetov actually, built when he stripped the structures, he put glass so that it's transparent and people can actually see what takes place inside and how the elements are built. Excuse-moi.
Oui, et c'est le premier dispositif qui a été inauguré en 2007.
That's the first part that was inaugurated in 2007.
Faut imaginer que vous êtes ici dans la ville, c'est-à-dire qu'il n'y a pas de barrière, on est vraiment il y a une route qui passe avec un feu rouge et on peut venir voir l'éléphant à n'importe quelle heure du jour et de la nuit.
You have to imagine that this is not like a separate structure, this is part of the city. And there's actually a street with a stoplight, traffic light and everything, and so people can come and see destruction and the elephant anytime, basically.
Vous avez ici la galerie des machines, qui est une exposition permanente et vivante.
So this is the gallery where the machines are, and it's like a live workshop that's permanent.
Ici, le grand éléphant, c'est l'endroit où il dort la nuit.
That's where the elephant sleeps at night.
Ici, un bar, boutique.
That's a bar and shop.
Ici, l'atelier de la compagnie de la machine qui construit les machines de l'île.
So there they have the workshop, the actual workshop, where they actually build the machines.
Et là, une branche prototype d'un futur projet qu'on appelle l'arbre au héron.
So that's a prototype of a new design that they have that's called the heron tree. There's going to be like 2 herons on top of the tree.
Au cœur du dispositif est l'atelier.
At the heart of the device and the workshop,
qui est visible par le public dans la balade et le parcours que le public vient faire sur l'île de Nantes.
So that's visited by publics, by visitors and tourists and people who live in Nantes.
Voilà. Ici, le grand éléphant qui fait ses sorties quotidiennes, il sort jusqu'à 16 fois par jour et emporte sur son dos et dans son ventre plus de 50 personnes.
So this is one of the regular treks of the elephant. He gets about between 12 and 16 times a day, and he carries people, about 50 people, either on top, either in its belly.
Je reviens en arrière. Voilà. Lorsqu'il se promène dans la ville, il joue avec le public, il peut arroser.
So when it walks around in the city, it can play with the visitors. It can actually, completely shower them if he wants to.
Il interagit avec son environnement.
He actually interacts with its environment.
À chaque voyage, il y a 1 tonne d'eau qui peut être libérée sur le public.
Actually, each time there is like a trip in the elephant, about a ton of water can be liberated and spread upon the audience.
Et vous avez ici l'intérieur de la galerie des machines, qui est une exposition, qui est l'inverse d'un musée, qui est une exposition laboratoire, qui accueille les productions de l'atelier avant qu'elles aillent coloniser le territoire.
Okay, so this is like part of the workshop that, where they build the machines before they go and actually migrate to the place where they're going to be shown.
Avec la maquette du futur arbre au héron, qui est un arbre d'acier qui fera à peu près 50 mètres de diamètre.
This you can see here the beginning of the heron tree. It's like still in the beginning. And c'est combien de...
50 mètres de diamètre.
It's about 50 meters diameter.
Et on teste des ascenseurs individuels qui permettront de se déplacer verticalement dans l'arbre. On appelle ça des ascensionneurs.
So they have ascensionnels, which they call ascensionnels, which are the kind of lift that you can see those people up to, where people can individually go up and down. They are testing those right now as well.
Heron fly
with people inside.
So the heron actually flies and people can go on top of it.
Mais c'est simplement une maquette à l'échelle 1/2.
It's half size.
So it's on the scale, it's half a scale of, what it normally should be.
Et le futur projet, c'est pour 2019.
And the future project is in 2019.
Une fourmi sur son tapis roulant.
That's, of course, this is an ant, and it's like on one of these, how do you call these, elevators, escalators.
Et là, sa maman qui est manipulée par le public.
That it's his mom, and it's being actually manipulated by the audience.
5 persons.
By 5 people.
On va en venir au carrousel.
So you're soon gonna get to the marine carousel.
Tu prends un peu le...
Ouais. Voilà, le carrousel des mondes marins, inauguré en 2012.
So that's the inauguration in 2012.
Il est situé au cœur de la ville et presque à la carte postale de Nantes.
It's almost like a picture-perfect postcard of Nantes, and it's really in the heart of the city. Tu veux pas aller de l'autre côté comme ça? Sorry,
On
we're
a-
going to try to not neglect the people who are on the other side.
Le thème de la mer s'est tout de suite imposé à nous.
So the theme of the sea was, of course, was immediately, present in our thoughts.
Parce qu'il y a un attachement très fort des Nantais, des habitants de Nantes, au passé maritime de leur ville.
Because there's a really strong attachment to the people in Nantes to the history that they have, with the sea and the maritime, past.
Et on est à l'endroit le plus maritime de la ville, face à l'océan.
So it's the most maritime, part of the city because it's like a confluence of several rivers and the closest to the ocean.
Sur l'emplacement des anciens chantiers navals,
On
face à la maison où Jules Verne a grandi.
It's like, so it's in the old shipyards, as we said before, and it's right across from the house where Jules Verne grew up, which is the French
Exactly
author.
there.
It's exactly there. So it's an homage, basically, to this writer as well.
Pendant 4 ans, on a construit les 35 éléments dans l'atelier de François de la Rosière.
So, like for about 4 years, we built all the elements in the atelier with François de la Rosière.
Le public a vu les éléments se construire dans l'atelier, ils les ont testés dans la galerie des machines et aujourd'hui, ils embarquent dans le carrousel sur les éléments.
So the public actually saw the first pieces being built. Then they tested them, and then now they can actually play with them and manipulate them and go on top of them in the marine world.
C'est un carrousel pour adultes dans lequel on accepte les enfants.
It's a carousel for adults in which we do actually accept children as well.
Yes, yes. Et au deuxième niveau, les éléments suspendus, c'est uniquement à partir de 12 ans.
And like on the second level, the suspended elements, you can't actually go in there until 12 years old.
Mais il y a autant d'adultes que d'enfants qui embarquent dans le carrousel.
But there are as many adults as kids who are going in there. They kind of find their inner child again.
Tous les éléments, toutes les machines ont des interactions. Et par exemple,
Each machine has like interacts with the other.
quand la petite fille appuie sur les 2 boutons,
When the little girl pushes on those 2 levels,
le monstre ferme la mâchoire et elle est enfermée dans...
oh my God! So the monster actually closes its jaws, and actually she is locked inside, which must be terrifying.
Et le public circule dans les 3 coursives
So the public goes around in those 3 galleries
et après décide choisit dans quel élément il veut rentrer.
and decide in which element he wants to go.
François, tu peux nous dire un mot de l'ossature du carrousel?
So they're going to talk about the structure of the carousel.
Le manège est implanté sur les bords sur une île en fait, qui est bordée par le fleuve.
Okay, so the carousel is at the edge of a river.
Et on voit exactement l'architecture des quais qui est ici.
So you see the architecture of the quays that he's showing you, the kind of architecture that they had from before.
Et c'est vrai qu'aujourd'hui, dès le premier jour, dès que le carrousel est né, on avait l'impression qu'il avait toujours été là.
And so the minute that the carousel was born and raised and we saw it actually happening, you had the feeling that it has always been there.
L'idée, c'était d'inviter les Nantais à descendre sous l'île de Nantes.
So it's like inviting the people from Nantes to get below actually the city.
Et de dérouler cette espèce de dentelle que forment les estacades des quais.
Yeah,
vers le haut pour dérouler une dentelle.
Yeah, it's like you let the lace, a concrete lace, coming out of the bowels of Nantes and come up into the air. And so you kind of find with this it's kind of a lace, concrete lace.
Peut-être que tu peux passer sur les
Alors,
photos.
juste pour donner, oui, ça c'est des événements que nous réalisons sous les anciens
Those are
chantiers.
events that they put up, cultural events and shows and stuff that they put in. This is all in the restored shipyards.
Et juste aujourd'hui, il y a 520 000 visiteurs par an.
There's about 500,000 visitors a year.
On a commencé en 2007 avec 200 000. Aujourd'hui, avec le carrousel, on est à 520 000.
So we started with 200,000, and today with the carousel we're about 520.
Au départ, il y avait 70% de Nantais et 30% de touristes et d'étrangers.
So before we had like 70% of people, you know, the inhabitants of Nantes, and the rest 30% from foreigners, tourists.
Et aujourd'hui, c'est l'inverse.
Now
Il y
it's
a
the opposite.
70% de touristes et d'étrangers et 30%, 35% de gens de la région.
70%
Et
now
tous les
are
ans,
tourists, and the 30%
Les
from
zones
Nantes.
s'élargissent.
And like it's getting bigger and bigger and bigger.
Et le 5e pays, c'est les États-Unis.
And the 5th country is the US, who
Voilà.
comes and visit us.
Si vous avez des questions, on peut y
If you
répondre.
have any questions, please go ahead. I will try to translate as well as I can, as long as it's not too technical.
Yeah, can you talk about the art direction? There's such a strong visual look to it. Is that a single visual director, or do you have teams that handle the art?
It's a team, but I think he should answer that, or they should answer.
C'est séparé ou ensemble?
Ouais.
Il y a deux structures dans l'équipement.
They have two structures for the equipment.
En premier, François de la Rosière et moi, nous sommes co-auteurs du projet des machines de l'île
So
de
they are
Nantes.
co-author of the projects, the machines, the L'Île de Nantes.
J'ai demandé à prendre la direction de l'exploitation
He is like a director of exploitation of the whole project.
parce que c'est un peu un mouton à 5 pattes, on dit.
Yeah, it's kind of difficult to translate. They say like a lamb with 5 feet or something, or an elephant with 5 feet, but it's a little bit complicated.
Et au départ, l'expérimentation nous semblait fragile. Il fallait inventer l'exploitation qui va avec quelque chose d'ouvert dans la ville.
So because it's something that's open and that also goes within the city, because we put a lot of shows within the city, it's like a little bit fragile. So it was something that had to come at the same time then we were exploring the project together.
C'est pour ça que j'ai tenu à prendre la direction de l'exploitation. Ce n'était pas mon métier.
It was not his business, you know, before to this profession before to do this kind of stuff,
En 7 ans, je l'ai appris.
but he learned it in 7 years.
Et aujourd'hui, je considère que je suis devenu un peu un professionnel
So now he thinks that
comme
he's
vous,
a little bit of a
pour
professional.
un équipement touristique et culturel.
Pour ma part, je suis directeur artistique de la compagnie La Machine.
So François is a artistic director of a company called Compagnie de la Machine.
Qui est une compagnie qui fait du théâtre de rue.
It's a company that does theater, it's street theater. So they literally take over a piece, you know, in a street and perform.
Et qui on développe notamment, on travaille beaucoup sur des projets urbains.
So they work a lot on urban projects with
Et,
these big machines,
et
no? Avec des
toujours
machines.
dans l'espace public.
And always on a public space. Avec des machines.
Avec des machines.
With big machines as well.
Peut-être que certains d'entre vous ont vu des araignées géantes.
So some I have seen like huge, humongous spiders or other,
Voilà.
you know, animal structures that suddenly come to life in the street. And
Donc l'atelier construit pour les machines de Lille, mais aussi pour d'autres projets.
so this workshop builds for les machines de Lille and the Carousel, but also for other projects.
Could you speak to just the operational aspect of this? I'm having a hard time kind of understanding from a theme park model how this works. Do you have attendance? Do you have ticket sales? Do you have? Is it all public? Is it publicly funded?
Ah oui,
That was also my question.
And also, who determines who rides in the vehicle?
Sorry, he has a problem with his microphone. He just took his jacket off because it's too hot.
Help! Help!
It feels like in the airport. Yeah, all right, thanks. Okay, so the question was about the operational functioning
Is
and
it
tickets
supported
and stuff.
by ticket sales, or is it a
Tu veux le
public
dire en
space?
anglais?
Oui,
He's
there
going
are
to try to say it in English.
3 sorts of tickets. one for the elephant, one for the gallery laboratory, one for the carousel. It's separate and there are no common ticket.
Yeah, you can't buy like a ticket for the
Yes.
3 exhibitions at the same time. It's all separate.
But if you pay for one, you have a reduction for the second.
Yeah, you got it.
The price is €8. €8 is perhaps $10 each. It's the most it's
It's
for adults.
it's at the highest price, and
Yes.
it's for adult, $10,
And
about the equivalent of
after
$10.
it's for étudiant
And then you
young
have like
is
less
6,
for students.
little
6.
boy is 3.
And what about little girls?
The middle,
Excuse me, what about little girls?
little girl too.
Okay.
And the middle is 6.
Yeah, so it must be
And-
probably students, seniors and stuff.
Oui, nous sommes à 80% d'autofinancement pour l'exploitation.
So they auto-finance 80% of this.
Mais-
So
Il y a le merchandising, qui est
merchandising,
important,
which is important.
les partenaires privés,
They have private partners,
3 principaux gros partenaires,
like 3 main big partners.
et tous les soirs, quand c'est fermé au public, il y a une autre vie qui commence où on loue les espaces pour les entreprises.
So every night, once the the exhibitions are closed, like it's like another life that starts because they rent out spaces privately under their beautiful workshops and verandas to have private parties, I guess.
Et les locations, c'est uniquement avec le contenu artistique.
Ça veut
C'est
dire
pas
quoi,
que
ça?
le lieu. On ne loue pas que le lieu,
Ouais.
on loue quand une entreprise vient
Ouais.
Prestation.
s'installer.
Ouais.
Il y a le contenu artistique, il y a la médiation dans la galerie, l'éléphant bouge, le
Okay,
carrousel
so
bouge.
when they do rent, one of their galleries for a private event, it's not just a space that you rent like the whole package. You do have some entertainment and media, and the elephant comes and greets you and stuff like that. It's
But
part of it.
can I go and just observe and be like an attendant at a museum and watch this beautiful thing, or do I pay a ticket to actually walk in?
Donc est-ce que tu peux aller regarder ou est-ce qu'il est obligé de payer un ticket pour aller voir ce qui se passe?
Non, l'éléphant, il est libre d'accès.
So the elephant is free. It's access free.
On paye uniquement only when you go on or go inside.
Right.
It's free, it's in the city.
Oui,
It's a
mais
car.
là, attends, de voir les
But
projets.
dans la galerie et le carrousel, you pay
You
to
pay
see.
in the carousel and in the
pay
gallery
to see.
to see, but in the workshop, not.
The workshop, workshop, you can access to the workshop only when you take one of
The
the
2
three
tickets,
tickets.
3 tickets, yeah.
It's part for, you go to the carousel, it's possible to go to the workshop, to
Yeah.
the film, to the prototype branches of 3.
Mais
It's a package for
le-
carousel, elephant and...
Il faut comprendre que le but de ce projet, au départ, est d'accompagner le développement urbain,
Yeah,
d'accélérer la vie sur ce territoire, les échanges.
yeah. So he just wants to mention that the most important part also is that this project was part of renewal and urbanization, and also to have like something new that develops within the city. Eh?
Et le public qui venait jamais sur l'île de Nantes et sur ce lieu s'est mis à pratiquer ce lieu et ça a créé des échanges d'émotions, des échanges de valeurs et de biens.
Okay, so since the shipyards had closed, people kind of neglected that part of the city. And so now that there's a renewal, people are coming and there's an exchange happening, there's emotion happening, and there's a bunch of interactions that are going on between the people, the machines, and other people are there. So it like gave literally new life
Il faut
to that
comprendre que
place.
Nantes, avant le projet des machines de Lille, était une ville qui se vidait l'été. Et maintenant, c'est une destination.
So also, Nantes used to be a city that in Europe, people leave like for about 3 weeks or a month on vacation. So everybody left in the summer, and now Nantes in the summer is a destination where people come and spend, the summer.
Et maintenant, après 7 ans d'activité, moi je pense que nous faisons le même métier et que le prochain projet, nous serons aussi les financeurs, les cofinanceurs des investissements de la prochaine tranche.
So after practicing for like about 7 years, he said that you know, they are basically going to be in a position where they will be co-financiers of their next projects as well.
All right, let's give them a huge round of applause. Thank you, Pierre. Thank you, Francois.